Obaseki ready to set new record for tree planting wey go grow 10 million trees. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki tok say im government dey collabo with Edo-based international firm Rongta Wood Company so dat dem go fit grow 1 million trees every year for the next 10 years. Oga Governor say the focus of your administration na to create business-friendly environment for investors to grow and also contribute to the development of the state. E come still talk say dem dey work with experts to draft new forestry laws and also set up forestry commission wey go operate on their own. Im say dem go also hire new generation of forest guards wey go safeguard the forests.
Within this month, we are undertaking major activities to create an environment where we can now have sustainable forestry development. We are working with experts to redraft our forestry law. The forestry law we are operating is quite outdated. So all of you, including members of various associations, are going to be working with us in the next few weeks to come up with a new forestry law. We also have set up a forestry commission whose sole responsibility is just going to be on forestry matters. We are moving forestry from the Ministry of Environment to be a commission of its own. The laws, the rules governing that will also be discussed. Part of the new forestry commission and forestry regime will include hiring a new generation of forest guards and forest rangers to help us govern the forest space as we go about regrowing and recuperating our forests. I'm quite impressed with what we've done. I'm sure those of you who have come with me, they are impressed with what they've seen. So let us now go out and let them take us on the tour around their facilities.
Oga Governor tok dis one when he use leg waka around the facility for the company wey dey Utesi, Ikpoba-Awka local government area for Edo State. Obaseki say e dey happy with the process wey the company take dey get raw materials for their finished products. Say they don bring professionals from China wey go help them set up the facilities wey go help regenerate seedlings for different species of wood wey go grow well for the environment. He said dem go collabo with them because dem get the capacity to help Edo break the record of tree planting, and with wetin e don see, dem fit get 3 million seedlings of different species by 2024.
Clearly, this is quite impressive. They have thought through the entire process of how to source raw materials for their finished products, which is the compressed particle boards. And the extent of work they have done involves a lot of research. They have one of the best professors in the area of wood culture and forestry from China in here that has set up the facilities, the laboratories, the research teams to help us regenerate seedlings or create seedlings of species of wood that would do well in our domestic environment. And you can see from the research, they have about 8 varieties, and these varieties are tissue cultured. They are transplanted, like in this transplant workshop, and then they are sent out as seedlings. With what I've seen today, their plan is by 2024, they'll have about 3 million seedlings of various varieties of forest products for us to work with. We are having a workshop with them and the entire industry on Thursday, and since we now know that they have the capacity, clearly we're going to collaborate with them more. We want to break the world record in tree planting in Edo State. So now that we know that they have the capacity to do 3 million trees, we will push that capacity to at least 10 and see how we can grow at least 1 million trees a year in this state over the next 10 years. And then that way we'll have had the kind of forest cover that we need.
The managing director Rongta Wood Company, Mr. Huang, said them happy for the ogbonge visit and talk say their operations dey very legal and everything wey them they do now for the benefit of Edo State and people.
Actually, we have 7 points. Number 1, as we promised, once we are doing, we make sure everything to be legal. For any reason, if it's not illegal, we just grab it. Okay. And then number 2, as you already see, from the seedling and from all the processes, we have a very professional team, okay, and also very professional workshop here. We want to make sure all our plan can be continuous and a success, okay. And the number 3, for what we are going to do is not only for our company. We are going to do is for all the people involved, and also for the communities. And also we try to do our best to contribute, to pay back to other states. Thanks so much. Thank you.
The Ogbonge people were present for the visit na Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Secretary to the State Government Osarodian Oge Esquire, Director Rongtirewood Mr. Huang, and General Manager Rongtirewood Mr. Jomi, among others. This one na the Ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.